friends, welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are well and doing well in your life. In our previous video, we talked about Harvard University's admission process, which was the part 1. If you haven't watched it till now, please do watch the video. The link is provided in the upper side of the video. In this video, which will be the second part, we will discuss about the additional requirements for completing the admission process. So let's get started. And by the way, have you subscribed our channel? If not, please subscribe our channel if you like our content. Let's get started. First requirement is the English proficiency test, or you can say the IELTS exam or the TOEFL exam. As far as these are concerned, a strong knowledge of English is essential for successful study at Harvard. First year and transfer applicants are not required to take an English proficiency exam, but you may submit score if you wish to do so. You can check out the proper full information in the link provided here. Next is the letter of intent or the statement of purpose. The process doesn't end here. The statement of purpose is the most important part of the admission requirement. It should be 1 to 2 pages long and should describe your experience, ambition, and why you are applying to that particular program and the college. The motive behind this is to see why you all are perfect candidate for the Harvard. So it is very important. Please write it carefully because this is the main part of the process. Every university, including Harvard, requires applicant to submit 2 to 3 letters of recommendations. Submit it from your school principal, dean, professor, or your employer if you have any work experience. Resumes and portfolio are 2 certain requirements which few schools require. So check out the school's website and your course which requires the letter of recommendation section. Lastly, the interview round. Not all Harvard schools recommend interviews as a part of admission process. This is something that you have to check on your school websites or admission page that they require or not. Sometimes the school itself call you that they require an interview via a telephone. This can be a necessary part to finalize your admission. This is the rarest case. If all goes well, you will be notified in the mid-December and by April 6 for the restrictive early actions and regular decisions respectively. I hope I was able to clarify all the admission requirements for Harvard. The process is same for all students irrespective of the citizenship or the nationality. The process for Harvard is a simple one. Those who are applying to other universities as well knows that the application process is a cakewalk. If you have any more questions regarding the process, please comment below. Do like and share and subscribe us if you like our content. We post similar content weekly. If you wish to apply for Oxford or even Cambridge but finds the process a difficult one, do check out our links here. It's an easy process you have ever assumed, plus a bonus video on the UK's application form. Do check out the links. Thanks for watching.